What really opened my eyes to what I was doing wrong with my music was after a decade of teaching music and waiting tables, I went back to college for advertising. And for the past 7 years, I've been working at ad agencies. And I'm like, none of these businesses depend on solely organic growth and touring to keep their businesses afloat. I'm not saying we shouldn't tour. I'm just saying, to be a viable business, you need to think like a business. We're all out here thinking like musicians. If right now you don't have any systems in place and your music career feels overwhelming, like it'll never get off the ground, like a constant grind, like a content hamster wheel that you just cannot get off of, if you feel burnt out and deflated, this is the video you needed to see. This is the system that you need. And basically, it's a system that automates promotional campaigns and sales and follow-up all in one. Anytime someone signs up for your email list or buys from you, and it does it whether you are working your day job, whether you're sleeping, whether you're on tour, whether you're on the stage, does it around the clock. And that is why the internet is the biggest leveraging tool ever. So what is this system? This is an Evergreen Fan Funnel. This is the system that is going to win back your time while also making sales and growing your fan base and growing your online footprint. And the Evergreen Fan Funnel, it consists mainly of 3 major parts, all right? The first part is your automated email sequence. It is a way to nurture the relationships that you have with brand new fans who are going to enter your ecosystem. Just like in real life, our relationship with our fans depends on an ongoing conversation. Your automated email system, it's like a street team that never ever sleeps. It promotes you, it sells for you, and it even nurtures those relationships. Automated email sequences help you build familiarity, help you build trust with these fans without you sending individualized emails to a ton of different people. Who has time for that? No one has time for that. Even the people signing up on our email list don't have time for that. And they will understand. It's okay that these are automated. You're not fake because there's automated emails going out on your behalf, especially if you wrote every word of them. Part 2 of the Evergreen Fan Funnel is a merch system that does a lot more than your online store is doing for you right now. An online store is a suggestion. It waits around in case anyone wants something from it. A merch funnel leads. It takes away a lot of the confusion and it takes away a lot of the option overwhelm. Any place that your fan or your customer can face friction, meaning they don't know what to do next, even if it's an internal problem, they don't know if they want the sweater or the t-shirt. Anytime we give them that moment, that's another chance that they are not going to make it to the checkout. So your merch system is going to lead with interest. There's going to be a video, performance video, or something that captures someone's eye. When they click into that, they're going to be offered a single item. Maybe it's a discounted record, maybe it's a free record and they just pay shipping and handling. Maybe it's every song you ever made on a USB flash drive. Maybe it's a tour documentary that you made that they can only get there. And if they want that, they'll tell you with a click. And then as they're on their way to checkout, you can offer them a few more things that will increase the value of their purchase from you, but also increase the value that they receive from buying whatever that is. If it was an album, can they get demos of it? Can they get behind the scenes? Can they get the matching t-shirt? What can you add to make that purchase better for them and better for you? Once people buy your merch from this merch funnel, then the automated email system is going to take over. Part 3 of the Evergreen Fan Funnel is ads. It's advertisements. So these paid ads will take the best creative that you can provide them, and they will test that creative across people who are already of the mindset that they would like your music if they just had a chance to hear it. You can target ads towards people who only listen to your genre on Spotify and are only in that state or that region. You can really get granular with who you target, and what that means is that your ads are going to be shown to people who are pre-qualified to like your music. And if they like the ad that they see, the video that they see, well, then they'll click on it, and then they'll be excited to learn that you're offering a discounted album or a free record, and they have a chance right there in that moment to support your art. After they make that purchase, part 1 is going to take over that automated email sequence that we set up ahead of time, and you don't have to do anything to grow that relationship with them. You don't have to do any extra work. The work has already been done. And that system working for you 24/7 around the clock can take you to the next level and the next level and the next level. Every major brand and artist that you know about uses something like this. So why not us? I totally understand if this is an overwhelming notion or if this system sounds complicated, and that's why I'm here to help. That's why Struggleville is here to help you. We will build this entire system for you, but we will also teach you how to build this system yourself so that you understand the fundamentals that are going into it. You understand how you could change it or pivot it to fit your needs better. We teach that in our Struggle Smarter Masterclass. It's a 90-day course. It's a little bit cheaper than if we did it all for you because you have to do some of the work, but you're going to internalize the principles behind the system a lot better, and you're going to be able to implement them for years to come. So whether you want Struggleville to build this system for you, whether you want to join us and learn how to build it yourself, or if you just want to go to YouTube University, I just want more indie artists to use systems like this to make their lives easier and to make their art more possible, make their career more possible. This is not a way for you to hustle more. This is a way for you to hustle less. This is a way for you to win back some of your time and build momentum and give your fans clarity along the way. So get off that content hamster wheel, come over to Struggleville, let us build this system for you, or let us teach you how to build this system. And as soon as possible, let's get you an always on salesperson, promotional person, marketing person, community engagement person that's no person at all. It's actually just an automated system that always runs for you so that you can focus on the front end. You can focus on the art and not so much on this never-ending grind that costs you more money than it makes you.